Hello and welcome back again to our plan. We are on day 58 today. Fortunately, about another program which is the Fearless Mama. Actually, I'm going to talk about two programs. Now, before I go back to the traffic source, which is Solar Checker, which I will go into in depth. When you log in, it really is a simple basic dashboard, but it's quite effective. And I'm on the $250 level. You can see that it goes all the way up to $5,000 level, but when you pay that sum, or any sum, 1,000, 3,000 or 5,000, you're going to need to pay an additional sum for administration fees. So you're looking at, for the 1,000, you have to put 20% on top, which is 1,250, and if you want to go up to the 5,000, it will be $1,250. And so if we just scroll down, this is the lady who runs it, her and another partner, and you have various things you can get out of there. So here you have various themes of training. This is a mastermind that happens every Monday, Zoom training. Then you have another day where you have live questions Q&A, and then you have bonus training. Got extra training here. So if I to go to the register, to the other clip, you have various things that will be talked about, like the 500-hour week. Not that you can work 500 hours a week, but it explains the whole reason why you want to have an online business. A couple of days ago, I bought some clicks from this company, Solar Checker. If I can just go to my dashboard, I bought, so my orders was on the I made the order on the 19th, but I think she replied back on that 19th, but yeah, from her end it would be the 28th. It actually didn't start until the 24th, but that was fine. So the order came in and I ordered for 100 clicks. She actually gave me 125. And what you want to do when you do your orders is, let me just go back, is you want to check where they've come from, how many of them are actually very good or very reliable. And I've used this particular person before, and I have got sign-ups to my email list. So another thing that's important for you to do when you get your clicks is to have something you call tracking, that tracks where all these clicks have come from and what are they clicking on. So here it is. This is how you compare your stats. I had over 125 clicks, and this is breaking them down to raw clicks. This explains what your clicks are all about, auditing them, learn more about why these stats might not exactly match your own, how to find and resolve clicks disputes, all those type of things. So I have 3 pages of where the 125 clicks came from, and you can see they're from various countries. And if I go all the way down, these are all the countries come from. So bulk of it is from the USA, but they're mostly from English speaking country, and they are 15% from the UK, 30% from Canada, and about 5% from the rest of the, well, not the rest of the world, but some other places. That's surprising. I think she's from there actually. Australia. I would like a little bit more here and here and here, but it is fine. What I'm looking for is to build up my email list, and so studying this sort of helps you know who you're looking for, where to look for, depending on what you are selling. So going back to the email, what I do have is I had 45 response from that email. So what I didn't show you is how. So what I would do is send this person a swipe. Let me go to my order here. Open that up. Okay, so here's the swipe. So this is the tracking link. This is what you'll put. This is what this person Jenny will put to her email list that she's got, and the header will be "There is hope," and this is my email swipe. You can write anything you like. Try this simple copy and paste online business. Will take you through step by step, and that's what you're going to do. So when they come here, what they will do, they'll register, and all this would do the selling for you. They would just do everything to set up the whole account, and once you set up the account, it will be the same thing. They will just say, okay, now go and buy some traffic from their traffic source. You can have your own source. They have their own source, but their own source, I have also dealt with them, and it seems to be very good. So that's the biz. So what am I going to do now? So now I've got some more work to do. I've got some more follow-up to do. So I've got 45. This person's actually responded and say they're going to have a look at it, so that's a positive. And then I've got to go through all these 44 and send them an introduction about myself, about what I do, how things are, how the business are. They may buy, they may not buy, but it's just telling them I'm a real person if they want to reach out to me, and just take it from there. And really what I'm looking for, yes, you'll be good to get a sale, but if not, you introduce them to an online business journey, and they're gonna follow you and see how you do, and every so often building up your email list. So what I want, it will be good if all 44 or all 45 people want to join me, but it's not really like that. It normally is about, I don't know how many is gonna come. So I just want sign-ups to my email list, so that when I have a new product, I can send it out to them. So that's that for this video. I will see you in the next video. Ta-ra for now.